Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, May the 2nd, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, a Sudoku with no stars, 0 stars. This one has 29 printed digits. Also, one Sudoku with no stars, but I think it's a 1 star. This one has 28 printed digits, and this one with 4 stars, 24 printed digits. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saifa block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one is interesting. Binary puzzle with 20. No, not with 20, not with 30, but with 16 printed digits. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one I will solve is this one with with I believe 1 star, and this one will be number 6368, I believe. Yeah, 6368. Told you earlier, this one has 28 printed digits, so no stars. I need to be faster for no stars or 1 star. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So let's get started. Let me see. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 2 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2, okay. Need to wait. All right. 3, 3, okay. We have 8 in this column and 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so last column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Oh, right. Okay, and then 1, 9. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 digit left in the last row for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the third row, no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay. Now. Let me see. 105. Okay. 5. And yeah, we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Alright. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third, in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. 99. Then. How about 7. Yeah. About 4. Yeah. 4 here. 4. 4. Okay. 4. 4. What the 6 then? 6. 6, 7, 9, and 4. 6, 7, 9, and 4. 6, 7, 9, 4. 9, 4. Yeah. 6, 7. All right. Need to think. Come on. How about? Yeah. 9 and 1. Come on. What's happening? 5. 5. Okay. 5. Well, 1. 9 and 4. 1, 9, 4. 9. 9. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 7, 9, 6, 9. 7, 6. Okay. Well, 4 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7. 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column. So no 6 and a 7 in that box. So the 6 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 6. So those two missing numbers, the other pair should be the 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4. Okay. Well, 9 and a 4. But look here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. Here, 7 in this column. No 7 in that box, so the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 6 then. And that box should be a 7 then. Alright. 7. Alright. 7. Alright. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. then 6 6, we have a 6 here, and yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column B3. The only place left for the 6 should be at there. 6 6. All right, same for the 9. Yeah, we have a pair also for this big square. We have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 goes together with the 6 as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. That means here cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. And that box in the first row should be the 9 then. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Here also 1 and a 9. 7, 7, 7. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill those yet. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. Here can be 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. Here, 6 in the in that row. So no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. 4 and the 5. Okay. 4 and the 5. 5. Okay, 1 and the 9. Yeah, 1 and the 9 are missing. We have a pair. These 2 missing numbers I've told you earlier are the numbers 1 and the 9. Let me mark those. So here we have a pair, 1 and a 9, and here 1 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, the numbers the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes at there. 9, 9. Okay, here we have a pair again, the 1 and a 9. Okay, so the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. A lot of pairs here. A lot of pairs here. Okay, 1 and a 9. 4 and a 5. With the 6 here, no. Come on. 1, 2, 3. The 1. I need a 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Is here 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. 1 box left in the last row for number 9 then. Alright. 9 and a 6, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. Six, six. That means there should be six. Yeah, two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The one, the two. Oh, we have already have a six here. Well. Need to wait. Need to wait. Four and a five. Okay, four, seven, and five. Need a five. Yeah, need a five. Two missing numbers in this row, in this big square are the numbers: the one, the two, three, the four, five is missing, the six, the seven, eight, nine is missing. Nine and a five, nine and a five. So we have a five in one of those two boxes in this row, five in the last row. So in the row between only two places left, the five should be here or there. We see a five in the first column, no five there. Five should be there. Five in the first column, five in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the five should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the one, the two, three, the four is missing, the five, the six, and seven is missing. Four and a seven, four and a seven. We have a seven in the third column, no seven there. Seven should be here, and a four goes there. Four and a seven again. We have a four in this row, no four there. Four should be here, and a seven goes there. One box left in the first column for number: the one, the two, the three, the four is missing. Four and a six, we have a four now in this row, no four there. Four should be here, and a six goes there. Four in this row, four in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the four should be there. Four and a five, we have a four now in the last column, no four there. Four should be here, and a five goes there. Nine and a five, we have a five in the last column, no five there. Five should be here, and then nine goes there. So we have a nine in the last column, nine in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the nine should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the one, the two, three, the four. Five is missing. The six and the seven is missing. Five and the seven, five and the seven. We have a five in the last column, no five there. Five should be here, and the seven goes there. Five, no two numbers in this big square for numbers: the one, the two, the three, the four, the five. Six is missing, and the seven is missing. Six and the seven, six and the seven. We have a six in this row, no six there. Six should be here, and the seven goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, not faster than 15 minutes. Well. Should be at 2 stars then. Yeah. 2 stars. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. And, yep, we solve it again. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The 4 star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.